without any makeup. The cinnamon coffee is so pricey. Good morning, you guys. It is 4th of August on a Tuesday morning. It's a really gloomy morning. It has been raining, hence I did not step out for my walk or any kind of workout. Honestly, my body needed that rest. My shoulders are so stiff from playing badminton, and it has been so humid, so it has been a struggle to step out of the house. Anyways, if you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon. Welcome to my little space on the internet. I make lots of lifestyle vlogs, and if you aren't new, welcome back. I hope you stick around and continue watching this vlog. Well, आज वैसे तो कुछ खास plans है नहीं, so just gonna take a slow morning in, head for a shower and make myself a coffee and start the day. I put in thoda sa extra effort in getting ready today because I want to film a few shots. I'm not sure how I look. Like, I wanted to wear this pearl necklace, but मुझे नहीं पता if it is even looking good. देखूंगी कैमरा पे अच्छा लगा तो ठीक है, otherwise I'll just remove it. Anyways, अब मेरी एनर्जी थोड़ी सी कम हो रही है. I need a coffee ASAP. I saw this रेसिपी ऑनलाइन, हनी सिनेमन आइस लाते. अभी बिकॉज इट्स रेनिंग तो सिनेमनी कॉफ़ी अच्छी लगेगी, सो आई एम गोना गो एंड मेक इट एंड ऑल्सो फिल्म इट फॉर माई शॉर्ट्स. सो या, लेट्स गो हेड इनटू द किचन. Okay, I've got all the things ready. Honey, this is the honey I use. Cinnamon powder. I also have this cinnamon, like sugar-free cinnamon syrup. पहले तो ना I wanted to use this in my coffee, but for the authenticity of the recipe, I think grounded cinnamon के साथ जाना चाहिए. So yeah, let's start making the coffee. And मेरे पास ना कुछ last 1-2 shots बचे हैं of Blue Tokai का blend. It's over, but yeah, if you want to see the full recipe, it will be up on my shorts, hopefully. So yeah, hop on to my shorts or Instagram reels, whatever. Alright, I'm done with the recipe and oh my god, this tastes so yum. इसका hot version would be so good in winters, I mean, honey and cinnamon ka combination is just so remarkable. I'm so excited to edit this and post it for you as soon as possible. And I hope like you are inspired by these recipes. मुझे बनाने में तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. They are not my own recipes in any way, but yeah, it's so fun. Like on certain days I'm trying new coffees from like at my home, from the comfort of my home. It just amazes me. But cheers. I am feeling so lazy right now. That time से light गई हुई है. I don't feel like doing anything at all. I really wish I could go out. शायद बाहर जाके थोड़ा प्रोडक्टिव हो जाती. It is 4:30 PM and मेरे पीछे बहुत मैस है अभी. But I finished editing my vlog and I think like it's just getting uploaded on YouTube. But मुझे लग रहा है I'm gonna make it public today itself. I am trying to be like really frequent with my vlogs, but मैं जब भी ये बोलती हूँ ना, मेरा हमेशा एक लंबा सा गैप आ जाता है. But I don't know. I will try to stick to it. And like I usually name my vlogs daily vlogs because it's just about my daily life. Like हमारी boring, can I talk, like हमारी boring mundane life. मेरे पास कुछ बहुत स्पेशल तो नहीं होता दिखाने को, बट आई मेक श्योर जब भी मैं स्टेप आउट करूँ आई व्लॉग. बट अभी like I did something transitional जो कि मैंने व्लॉग नहीं किया, एंड दैट इज़ माई न्यू हेयर कट. बट आई वांट से मैंने अपनी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज़ पे पहले ये शेयर किया था, एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ लव एंड क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वैलिडेशन दैट आई गॉट. थैंक यू सो मच. आई नो जिन्होंने भी मेरा हेयर कट डिसाइड करवाने में हेल्प करी, लाइक आई लिटरली टुक योर एडवाइस. मैंने वोटिंग डाली थी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज एंड आई आस्क्ड यू व्हाट शुड आई गो हेड विद. तो like I felt so good. So many of you became a part of it. You DM'd me and you also saw my hair reveal, जो कि मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल था. बट सच बताऊँ, when I was editing this vlog ना, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी नहीं हो रही थी because I could see how unhappy I was with my hair. My hair were just so frizzy and like weighed down. मतलब उस पर कोई भी स्टाइल स्टे नहीं करता था. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम लविंग दिस लुक. सो इफ़ यू आर अनअवेयर ऑफ all of that haircut wala facade, go ahead to my like Instagram. I think you'll get to know. मैंने कहीं तो वो स्टोरी सेव करके रखी होंगी मे बी मेरा हेयर वाली हाईलाइट में. दिस वॉज वन मोमेंट जहाँ पर मैंने बहुत व्लॉग नहीं किया बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू बी प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट. हुआ भी ऐसा ही था दैट आई वॉज सिटिंग एंड आई वॉज लाइक रियली सैड, एंड मैं ना सोच लाइक आई कुडेंट अंडरस्टैंड कॉम्प्रीहेंड कि मैं सैड क्यों हूँ. बट देन आई रियलाइज आई एम नॉट लविंग द वे आई लुक. सो या आई हेडेड डाउन टू दी सलोन. इस बारी आई वेंट टू अ वेरी 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 गुड सलोन ताकि आई कुड गेट अ नाइस हेयर कट. मुझे कहीं भी सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं हो रही थी. लाइक द काइंड ऑफ फ्रेज आई वॉज डीलिंग विद, इट वॉज जस्ट टू मच फॉर मी टू टेक. एंड या लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, कुछ चीज़ें मैं व्लॉग करती हूँ, कुछ चीज़ें मैं छोड़ देती हूँ, बट आई स्टिल ट्राई टू कीप यू इन लूप, चाहे इंस्टाग्राम पे. बट एनीवेज थोड़ी देर में व्लॉग पब्लिक होने वाला है. इट्स रेनिंग सो मच अभी. लाइक सड़क, मेरे घर के आगे सड़क भर चुकी है. देयर इज़ नथिंग टू डू, घर में बैठो, दैट्स इट. All of a sudden, I'm just so bored and exhausted at the same time. Like, I'm cooking dinner, making dal, भिंडी, रोटी, but कहीं बाहर जाने का भी मन कर रहा है, but there's no chance. रोड्स अभी भरी हुई होंगी, but मुझे कुछ इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है, and I so wanna go out. It does not make any sense because kal subha I need to head out for my laser hair removal. Nobody asked me, but let me tell you, laser hair removal is just so efficient. मतलब tomorrow I'm gonna get only my face done, and it's been so many months. मुझे याद भी नहीं मैं last time कब गई थी. Most probably when summers actually started, and still I have like minimal growth. It is so useful for girls. Like हम ऐसे ही इतनी दर्द सहते हैं. I feel like I still get my arms waxed because मुझे बहुत कम growth आती है after getting lasered and everything. TMI, but I wanted to mention all of this in case anybody wanted to know my experience. कैसा है? It's really good. So I'm gonna go tomorrow, head out. तो सेंस तो नहीं बनती अभी कहीं जाने की. टुडे वुड हैव बीन अ ग्रेट डे फॉर अ सोलो डेट, बट मैं बारिश में ज़रूर फंस जाती. आई एम बोर्ड.
No, you were right. I was acting a little crazy. I think I just wanted that peanut brittle because it reminded me of home.
I just got done with dinner and I was craving something sweet, and specifically I was craving ice cream. Like, I have been craving ice cream for so many days now, but because my stomach hurts every time I have it, I wanted to try a vegan option. So I got this. It's from this brand called Minus 30. This is the coconut mini. It's so pricey. First of all, I literally contemplated buying it, like लूँगी या नहीं, is it worth it, but ना मुझसे craving control नहीं हो रही थी because it has been months since I've had an ice cream, and yeah, let's try it together. बहुत छोटू सी है, but cheers. It's pretty tasty. I think ये coconut milk से बनी है. Coconut milk, coconut cream, desiccated coconut, coconut powder, stevia, dark chocolate and coconut oil. Wow, this is pretty clean and it's really really yummy. You wanna taste? Right here. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. हमें 95 की मिली ना. अच्छी है ना, क्रीमी है. इसमें सब कुछ कोकोनट का ही है. मिल्क, क्रीम, ऑयल, एवरीथिंग. Good morning. It is almost 7 a.m. Happy Wednesday. It's the next day and I am gonna head out for my morning walk abhi. I think वहाँ से आके I'm gonna wash my hair, get ready, have a quick breakfast and head out for my laser wali appointment. And I think that is when I'm gonna see you next. Abhi I'm just gonna put on my shoes. शूज से याद आया, if you saw my shopping वाला vlog where I got New Balance के shoes, well, मैंने अभी तक वो पहने ही नहीं है. मे बी आई डिड नॉट थिंक इट थ्रू बिकॉज अभी इट इज़ लाइक रेनी सीजन एंड वो खराब ही हो जाएंगे. लाइक आई एंड अप वॉशिंग देम एवरी नाउ एंड देन. वो मैं करना नहीं चाहती. सो आई हैवंट लाइक walked in those after buying them, but I'm like waiting for this rainy season to get over ताकि I can use them. But they are just so amazing for walking, running. Really excited whenever the time comes to pull them out. Anyways, I'm gonna go and I'll see you super soon. I quickly did my hair and I'm going without any makeup. Just have my eyebrows filled in, mascara and a lip tint, and I'm just putting some hair oil because humidity makes it a bit frizzy. And yeah, it's around 10:50 a.m. I need to leave by at least 11. मुझे half an hour लग जाता है to reach the clinic, and I do not want to be late because I want to come back soon. I feel like this looks good. ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी भी नहीं पहनी है, बट आई हैव जस्ट माई रिंग्स ऑन. आई थिंक मैंने ये रिंग नहीं दिखाई. आई गॉट 2 ऑफ देम फ्रॉम अ लोकल लाइक वेंडर. आई एम गोना शो इट टू यू बट लेटर, मे बी इस व्लॉग में या नेक्स्ट में. बट या, जस्ट simple things, no makeup. And now let's grab my bag. I'm gonna take this bag. ये outfit के साथ जा तो नहीं रहा, but it already has my kit and a tote bag because वहाँ पर ले माश है and I am out of bread and butter, bread and cheese. And उसके बिना तो मैं survive नहीं कर सकती. So gonna take a quick round of Le Marche and get all the things that we need around the house. So yeah, let's get going. I am 10 minutes late and I hate it. I shouldn't have been. I was so prepared, but still. Okay, so the person I booked is doing someone else's work, जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. I do not appreciate it because I especially called thrice to make sure that the person who does my laser all the time is gonna do it today itself. But ऐसा हुआ नहीं, so I think I'm gonna do other stuff right now, like grocery shopping or grab a coffee or something like that. They have this on 70% off. I think I'm gonna buy this for TV. It's really promising. And it's from Korea. Thank you. Laser is done. My face feels like a baby's bum. Not gonna lie, like it's so soft now. Anyways, gonna head to Le Marche, get some groceries, and then head back home. I just saw this. This is like a black truffle dressing and too costly yaar. But it would have been good, especially on mushrooms. I am back home and let's do a quick haul. First of all, this scrunchie that I got from the view Beauty Talk Korea, and this is how it looks. It's so pretty. Okay, this is the front, and मैंने ना ऐसा सा कुछ similar H&M पे देखा था, but it was so costly. I think it was around 700 bucks or 600, but ये मुझे सिर्फ 250 rupees में मिला, so I had to get it. Okay, and the second thing is AB ka trimmer. He loved it so much. Like, I do not know if all men are same, but he had to change his trimmer for I think 2 years now. मतलब वो on होता है, off होता है, on होता है, off होता है, but he refuses to change on his own. So when I saw कि ये sale पे है, I knew I had to get it. And then I got Le Marche से whole wheat pav buns. पाव भाजी खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा है, so I think I'll be making that very soon. A whole wheat bread, normal bread for sandwiches and stuff. A butter croissant जो थोड़ा सा पिचक गया है. Sourdough, a Sepoy का tonic water. I just love having it on its own or even mixing it in my drinks. And then pizza cheese and 300-gram pack of soya tikka malai soya chap. And I want to make those lachha parantha wala rolls on Friday night, like movie के साथ चटपटा सा रोल. I think बहुत मज़ा आएगा. So yeah, that was my little haul. अभी I'm gonna make lunch. लंच की कोई प्रेप नहीं है. आई थिंक आई एम गोना जस्ट टोस्ट सम सावरडो क्रीम चीज़ क्यूकम्बर लगा के वही खाऊंगी. सो या लेट्स डू दैट. It is 4 p.m. and honestly I'm pretty beat up. I am gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, leave a comment. I love hearing your thoughts, and if there's anything specific that you would want to watch from my side, do let me know. I love your suggestions. Actually, one of you commented that you want to see my jewelry collection, but I'm so confused. Like, do you want to see my ethnic wear or my everyday jewelry? So in case you're watching this, please do let me know. Like, मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा links तो नहीं होंगे for my jewelry, but still, if you are interested in that, I'll make a video in case you wanna see something else. Leave your thoughts below, and also do let me know if you're loving these daily vlogs. I wanna post so much more for you, and I hope to keep entertaining you. And with that, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day, upload the footage and everything, and yeah, take care. Bye.